She does not cry, she floods. When she does, earth trembles. When there's sound, there is thunder. Her tears shift the earth, the world will shiver. Wind is born from her pain. Her daughter knows the snow and ice never stays, never remains, just lost inside her maze. A crown made of storm, she does not speak. She warps the laws, the sky bends when she breathes. Death hides when she sees. Every drop is a sentence, every flood is repentance. No gods in her presence, only silence and penance. Goddess of the rain, she does not love, she reigns. Drop by drop she erases names, nothing left but ocean deep in her veins, pull you under the chains. Try to run, it's in vain. You dissolve in the rain. The world ends when she blinks. Time breaks at the brink. No escape, no link. Just sink, sink, sink.